Welcome to our deep dive into Edge AI. Today we're going to explore how this revolutionary technology works, look at real-world examples, and uncover its significant benefits. Let's start by defining what Edge AI is and why it's quickly becoming one of the most critical trends in technology. Edge AI refers to running artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms directly on a local device, or instead of relying solely on a centralized cloud server. The edge in this context is any computing device located physically close to the source of the data. It could be a smartphone, a surveillance camera, or a factory sensor. Now let's explore the core mechanics of how Edge AI processes data to deliver intelligent results instantaneously. The key principle is shifting the processing of AI models, known as inference, from distant cloud data centers to the local edge device. This minimizes the need for continuous data transmission. This local processing is often enabled by powerful, energy-efficient hardware, including specialized AI chips and microprocessors embedded directly into edge devices. Edge AI isn't just a technical curiosity, it offers tangible benefits across multiple sectors. Let's look at the most significant advantages. One of the biggest wins for Edge AI is the dramatic reduction in latency. Since data is processed locally, response times are faster, which is critical for real-time applications. By keeping sensitive data on the device, Edge AI significantly enhances data privacy and security, as less raw information needs to be transmitted to the cloud. Transmitting less data also translates into lower bandwidth consumption and reduced operational costs, making Edge AI a highly efficient solution. Edge AI operates independently of cloud connectivity, ensuring that applications remain reliable even in remote locations or during network outages. To understand the true impact of Edge AI, let's explore some compelling real-world applications across different industries. Autonomous vehicles use Edge AI to instantly process sensor data for navigation and safety, and smart cameras perform real-time video analysis without sending every frame to the cloud. In the industrial Internet of Things, Edge AI enables predictive maintenance by analyzing sensor data on-site, catching equipment failures before they happen. Smart home devices and voice assistants also utilize Edge AI for quick command execution and privacy-preserving processing of voice data. While the present of Edge AI is bright, there are still hurdles to overcome and an exciting future to look forward to. Current limitations revolve around the power consumption of local processors and the challenge of shrinking complex AI models to fit on constrained edge devices. The future points towards highly decentralized intelligence, where edge devices collaborate in powerful, interconnected networks to solve complex problems faster and more efficiently. In conclusion, Edge AI is fundamentally changing how we interact with technology, offering lower latency, enhanced privacy, and unparalleled reliability for our increasingly connected world.